saw this at IKEA, I was like, ding, 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 Kim, you gotta get this lantern. It would be a cute addition to my cute hot chocolate bar, and it sure was, my loves. It was definitely a hit. I'm so excited that I picked up that lantern, okay? And now I'm adding my cocoa in my jar. But loves, if you want less mess, use a funnel, okay? Fun fact, guys, I was not really a hot chocolate person. No, I was not. I actually start craving hot chocolate once I got pregnant with my first child. Okay, so when I was pregnant with my first child, I had to have hot chocolate every night. Let me tell you, every night throughout my pregnancy. So, but I still do enjoy a nice hot cup of hot chocolate. Like, it really warms my heart and everything. And that peppermint edition, is just like the cherry on top. I picked up these two cups from Dollar Tree, guys. Let me tell you, man, Dollar Tree came through for this video. It was definitely on a budget, okay? Majority of the stuff here are from Dollar Tree, guys. Yes, and I also picked up two Santa mugs from Dollar Tree as well. So yes, those came in pretty handy too. So you'll see when I add them later on in the video. Oh, loves, and my hot cocoa sign in the back there, I did get that from Amazon. And my Christmas tree in the back, of course, we have to have a Christmas tree, right? That I got from Target. Okay, loves. So I started, try to decorate the snow area with these Hershey Kisses. And then I forgot who was here. Ding, ding, ding. The candy snatcher. He is back. So I'm like, you know what? I gotta take it up. Okay, love. So now I'm gonna go on to do something fun with the kids by making these ninja bread cookies. Okay, I was gonna put them in the cake stand so that that could be a part of the hot chocolate bar, but I decided to change my mind and just put cookies and a cupcake there. But you guys will see the end result. So please keep watching.